Hey guys, this is Monsters J and Top Dog, and this is the failed trucks for Silent Series 2364. Here we go. Witty and Inverse and Invasion. I'm a Tough Enough. The Chocolate Drive. You're in Hot Wheels. Jackson Davis. You're in USA Sword of Fortune. King James TV. You're in Vision Nice. Robot. You won a Broken Mina. What you got? And then Zack Attack 2002. You also won a Stone Crusher. What you got? 55 creations. You're on Black Automation. It's Jacoby and your Wildflower, Grover and your Boogie Van, my cat Lucky, she's a Dalmatian, and my cat Roxy, she's a Batman. The rest of that's it. See you guys later. Bye.